Etoka County WX here, and today we're going to be doing some expansions to the alarm system. Yes, I moved it back into the garage. Don't ask me why I did that. So, yeah. So I had an FSP 951 right there, where those wire nuts are, but I'm relocating it to be on the other side of the garage, so we have two barriers of protection. And yes, my wiring, very, very stupid. It's just it's like 90 degrees outside where I am in upstate New York. It's so hot, so that's why it's like that. I'm shutting the light off because the garage door's open. I don't need the light. Okay, that's much better. So I have some bell wire, and I have a conventional pulse. Yeah, that's right there. I have this conventional BG12 right here because I bought a notifier monitor module that's gonna go here, but for now, this is SLC right here. I have to, I'm gonna leave it the same. I don't think it's popping it out, but we have to tie in SLC at that pole station right here and then put the detector up. So just to be safe, to not short out my SLC, if I short out my SLC, my panel's ruined. So we're gonna unplug the SLC. Now we're gonna get a bunch of troubles now since it's unplugged, and it takes the panel a second to realize what just happened. There we go. That's all our troubles. So let's start doing this. So I gotta get a notifier key and a drill to take that off the box. So the SLC is unplugged. So if I pull this, the system should be an alarm, but it's not because the SLC is unplugged. There we go. Pole station's wired up, so let's mount it. So now that we're done with this pole station, now we have to splice in the new wire. I gotta cut this still, and the other SLC, which I gotta pull some of this in. Oh, I just got myself scraped. Oof. It's not that bad. But let's just feed this into our box. Time for another time lapse. Okay, I forgot to film me unplugging in the SLC, but everything's functioning just fine. So we try and set off our detector. It won't work. It's not programmed in, so let's do that. So I ended up using one of these connectors because I don't have any more wire nuts. And this for the monitor module. This isn't getting hooked up because it's conventional. I have to reset that real fast. It's driving me nuts right now. It's like it's pulled. So let's install the detector. I had to do that off camera. Our detector is now on the ceiling. So now we can plug in the SLC and hope nothing blows up. So what you're gonna do to program it, and just hit enter, hit 2, and these are default passwords, so don't get mad at me. The detector, add, the address is 002, and it's a smoke photo. Detector is now added. So you can name your detector, but I'm not going to at the moment. And boom, your detector's programmed in.